The next example, we are going to study metal reacting with acid use salt plus hydrogen gas. But here we are going to study reactions of metal with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sodium, calcium, potassium, aluminium, zinc, magnesium. React with sulfuric acid H2SO4. 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 React with sulfuric acid plus H2SO4. React with sulfuric acid H2SO4. We get salt. We get salt. We get salt. Salt Na2SO4. CaSO4. K2SO4. Al2SO4 3. ZnSO4. NgSO4. Plus hydrogen gas is given out. 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 Sodium react with sulfuric acid. We get sodium sulfate plus hydrogen gas is given out. Calcium react with H2SO4. We get calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas is given out. Potassium react with sulfuric acid. We get potassium sulfate plus hydrogen gas is given out. Aluminium reacts with sulfuric acid. We get aluminium sulfate plus hydrogen gas is given out. Zinc react with sulfuric acid, we get zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas is given out. Magnesium react with sulfuric acid, we get magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas is given out. Now we will balance the equation. Now my dear student, here we see two atoms of sodium on the side of product. So on the reactant side, we will write 2. Now let's see whether the equation is balanced or not. 2Na, Na2, H2, H2, S1, S1, oxygen 4, oxygen 4. The equation is balanced. In the same way, K plus H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus H2 hydrogen gas is given out. Here we see potassium 2 on the side of the product. So on the side of reactant we write 2. Now potassium 2, potassium 2, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, sulfur 1, oxygen 4, oxygen 4. The equation is balanced. Calcium 2, calcium 1, calcium 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, sulfur 1, oxygen 4, oxygen 4. The equation is already balanced. In the same way, zinc 1, zinc 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, sulfur 1, oxygen 4, oxygen 4. The equation is balanced. Magnesium 1, magnesium 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, sulfur 1, oxygen 4, oxygen 4. The equation is already balanced. This equation we have to balance. We will write the equation as it is first. My dear students, we see here sulfur 3. So this is the compound having more number of atoms of the element. So we will first consider the compound which is having more number of atoms of elements. So Al2SO43 is a compound, and here we will take aluminum sulfate in consideration. Where sulfur is 3, we will try to make sulfur 3. Sulfur 3, sulfur 3. Aluminium is 2, we will put here 2. 3 2s are 6. Hydrogen also 6. Now, aluminium 2, aluminium 2. 3 2s are 6 hydrogen, 3 2s are 6 hydrogen, 3 sulfur, 3 sulfur, 4 3s are 12 oxygen, 4 3s are 12 oxygen. The equation is balanced. Rest of the equations are balanced. Now, Sodium reacts with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate and hydrogen gas. The formula for sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Calcium reacts with sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas. The formula of sodium sulfate is CaSO4. Potassium reacts with sulfuric acid to form potassium sulfate and hydrogen gas. The formula for potassium sulfate is K2SO4. Aluminium reacts with sulfuric acid to form aluminium sulfate and hydrogen gas. The formula for aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 bracket 3. Zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. The formula for zinc sulfate is ZnSO4. Magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. After this, we are going to study the next pattern and also going to balance the next pattern. In place of sulfuric acid, we will take nitric acid.